In my previous video, I described how my e-bike motor was damaged after 700 kilometers of normal day-to-day commuting around the city. Guess what? I contacted Jason Yin from OUXI, the manufacturer and seller of those e-bikes on AliExpress. I described the problem, and Jason was very kind to send me the motor core replacement, which I'm finally unpacking and installing. This motor core has a different connector, which I cut off and replace with the stock cable from my broken motor using a soldering iron to match the wires by color, and it works. The core is a perfect fit, and it runs smooth. The actual assembly was done using lots of thick grease to lubricate all those ball bearings and gears. I've tested the repaired bike during a 95 kilometers ride to a neighboring city, and both the new motor core and the additional battery performed well.